Okay, so there's another one of those puck motors, and the little connector to where they're just push connectors with the little paddles on there, so you can just push the wires into it. This should say, maybe not. Well, anyway, this is an on and off switch. That is 110. And there you go. So that's the way they come when you buy like this little thing on Amazon or wherever, Monster Guts or whatever. That's the way that will come with the, let's see, I think, yeah, it just comes with the tinned. They're already soldered, tinned bare ends, and then you put the little connector dude on there and you hook it up to whatever you're running. I've got pictures of this that I'm going to put on in the video so you can see what different models of this 12 volt 110. That's your adapter that you got to get. That's one type of them that you can get. I think there's another type of adapter that can go on here, various ones, but that go on this little shaft. I just use this standard machine screw to go into this and hook things on, and you can see it's pretty basic, just some light wood screws and washers down in there. Nothing too fancy. A little lock nut, little dollar store hand, and that was, I think I've showed a video of it before. If not, this was the thing that this was the hand that opened and closed the window with a little skull and stuff in the window, and it was a little window peeker, and pretty simple. Got two arms. The distance on this was the thing that was kind of hard to figure out, because it pushes out and then it throws, and it pushes out and it throws. So and to get it set correctly, it's just a piece of 2x4, 2x6, and just banged it together. But it was hidden, so nobody saw all that. Anyway, I will show. Oh, here. There's another part of this. It's just a groove I put in this thing so it could run on this and hold it at the right height. It just ran back and forth in this groove. That's literally how rudimentary it is and how basic it is. There's not a lot to it. You can do this. All right, I will put the rest of this stuff in the video.